In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist on cards with Trello. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along and get your work organized fast. A checklist is perfect for breaking a task into smaller, trackable steps and seeing progress at a glance. Let's start right inside your Trello board. If you're just signing in, open the board where your project lives. Remember, a board is made up of lists, and inside those lists are cards. Cards represent individual tasks or pieces of work, and that's where your checklist will live. Next, click the card you want to enhance with a checklist. This opens the card's details in a panel. You'll see the description area in the middle and a sidebar on the right with options to add things to the card. That right-hand area is where you'll find what you need. Look for the checklist option in the sidebar under Add to Card and click it. Trello will prompt you to name your checklist. You can keep the default name or type something clearer like pre-launch tasks or QA steps so it's obvious what the list covers. Then confirm to add it. If your window is narrow and you don't see checklist right away, it may be tucked under a More or Add menu in the same area. You can create more than one checklist on a card if it helps you separate phases or responsibilities. Now add the details to your checklist. Place your cursor in the Add an Item field, type your first step and press Enter to save it. Keep adding items the same way, one per line, using short, action-oriented phrasing so each item is easy to complete. You can paste multiple lines of text to create several items at once. If you need to reorder tasks, drag them by the handle on the left to put them in the right sequence. As you check items off, a progress bar appears at the top of the checklist, giving you an instant sense of how close you are to done. A few helpful tips while you're here. Keep big, complex items broken into smaller, achievable steps. If one item grows too large, you can promote it to its own card from the items menu so it gets proper attention. You can also add context in the card's description above the checklist and use comments to coordinate with teammates. If your card has multiple checklists, give each a clear name so everyone knows what to work on first. That's it. Open your board, open your card, click checklist, and add your items. With that in place, you'll have a clear path from start to finish and a simple way to track progress as you go.